Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincy Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Happy Thursday, everybody. I hope everybody is having a lovely week so far. I know it's been a minute since I've been on the show. I've been working on some of my own projects and traveling, but I'm back here again in New York City and currently with my puppy Donatello and his cousins Pax and Clint. So if you hear some barking or puppy snoring, that's them. Today, I want to go over the SecondFi hack, formerly known as Yoroi. You probably know by now, but earlier this summer, there was a hack of the SecondFi app, and as a precaution, all the SecondFi wallets were frozen. I created some videos on what happened. If you need a recap, I'll link those up above. But today, I successfully moved all my ADA from my old Yoroi wallet to a new Lace wallet. And this option with a migration tool is now available for all of you. So today I want to go over the process, what the SecondFi team said, and I want to go step by step of how you actually safely move your assets. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for your project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. All right, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. SecondFi app tweeted, "The wallet migration tool is now live. The wallet migration tool is available in the SecondFi app. This tool is for users who still hold Cardano assets in SecondFi. It moves what you currently hold out to your newly created Cardano wallet destination address. We encourage everyone with a remaining Cardano balance to migrate, whether or not you were affected by the incident, because SecondFi is winding down." So in the SecondFi app, you might see whether or not you were affected. Actually, most people were not affected, but since this app is going to wind down, it's highly recommended to move all your assets. So this is what you do. If your wallet was emptied in the incident, the tool you're waiting for is the asset recovery tool, and we expect it to be available in September. Migrating does not affect your claim. About the migration tool, it moves your entire Cardano balance, including all ADA, native tokens, and NFTs from your current wallet to the destination address of a newly created Cardano wallet from a provider of your choice. The tool has been audited by Bitdefender. I'm glad this was audited too, so a third party made sure this was safe. And I'm a testimony too that I'm not being endorsed in any way by SecondFi, by Lace, by Bitdefender. I'm just a creator here on YouTube, and I had some of my own assets in SecondFi, so I successfully did it, and I want to go over how you can do it too. So before you start, create a new Cardano wallet with a provider of your choice and have the destination address ready. We recommend using a hardware wallet. How it works. The tool handles the technical steps automatically. If your ADA is currently staked, the tool will unstake it so the full amount can be included in the transfer. This also means your drep delegation will no longer be active, so you will need to delegate to a drep again from your new wallet to continue participating in Cardano governance. You will need to migrate one wallet at a time. So a couple important reminders to stay safe. Blockchain transfers cannot be reversed once signed and submitted. Check your destination address carefully. Only send to a Cardano wallet you control, never to an exchange deposit address. The migration tool moves Cardano assets only. Non-Cardano assets will need to be moved separately. Please do not delete your original wallet from SecondFi or the application itself, as it may be needed for the asset recovery process. I personally have an iPhone, so I went to the App Store to download the update. You can look it up, the SecondFi app. Once you do that, you open the SecondFi app. You'll see the screen, Migration Terms and Conditions. You can read through that, and after you accept the terms and conditions, you'll see the statement. SecondFi is shutting down. SecondFi is shutting down. Your assets are at risk. You need to move all your assets out of SecondFi to wallets you control before it shuts down. After that, you may lose access permanently. Here's what applies to you. And then after that, they'll show all your wallets that are under the control of SecondFi. For my own privacy, I didn't show all my wallets, but you might have one wallet, you might have multiple. They'll show you that list there. And after that, you go through each wallet one by one and slowly migrate them. So once you click on a wallet, this is what you'll see. It'll say action needed. Migrate your Cardano wallet balance. You hold ADA and Cardano native assets. You must complete migrate Cardano wallet balance to safely transfer the ADA and native assets to a newly created wallet that you control from another provider of your choice. If this wallet is staked, migrating will unstake it. Its stake pool and drep governance delegations will no longer be active. You'll need to delegate again from your new destination wallet. After that, you click this button, Migrate Cardano Wallet Now. To do that, you'll need your spending password. And of course, for my different Cardano wallets, I forgot some of my passwords, so it took a sec for me to remember them and plug them all in. I was able to successfully do that though, and once I did that, I got this screen. Wallet migration in progress. Your migration is pending on the blockchain and should complete in a few minutes. You can now follow the transactions in the recent activity section below. That part was definitely a bit nerve-wracking. I was worried that this tool wouldn't actually work, but I looked online, other people had done it before me, so I trusted that this would actually work. And luckily, after a few minutes, I saw this screen. Cardano asset migration completed. To keep earning staking rewards or participating in governance, delegate again from your new destination wallet. And once the migration is complete, you'll see 0 ADA in the original wallet. That's a good thing, and double check, in like a minute or two, you'll see the new balance in your new wallet that you created. In my case, it was my Lace wallet, and I saw all my Cardano native tokens, all of my NFTs, and all of my ADA were transferred. You can see here in my Lace wallet. This was a fun one where I created an NFT with my friends at a Cardano event. So my picture's here, and those 2 NFTs from the event are also there. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!